Tata Motors has begun discussions with sovereign wealth funds and private equity investors to sell a significant minority stake in its EV division. That's what the ET paper reports are suggesting, and the potential buyers include the likes of Abu Dhabi Investment Authority and Mubadala Investment Company as well. My colleague from ET paper, Deborshi, is here to talk to us about more details on the same.
Like we have reported, there are a clutch of sovereign funds and also global private equity investors. We understand there is ADIA and Mubadala from United Arab Emirates. There is Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund, Temasek from Singapore, and also global PE funds like KKR and General Atlantic. So they're all engaged in the discussions. Of course, there is not full certainty that over the number of investors who will ultimately invest. We understand that the ask is, around 15% to the last valuation round, which was around $9.1 billion. You remember last year, TPG was one of the investors who had invested in the EV business. So this time we understand the ask is around 10 to 15% premium from that valuation round. We also understand that once the deal closes, the proceeds of the sale, the money raised, will be used by the company to retire its debt. There is also a possibility that a small amount might come for the company as private equity, which will be used for the company's growth plans. But largely, the money raised will be used towards debt repayment, which is in line with Tata Motors' announced policy of becoming a zero debt company going forward. Which will obviously have a significant impact on its margins once it is able to retire a large part of its debt. There is a lot of global interest in general around the EV space, and India being one of the most exciting markets, one of the fast-growing markets, there is definitely a lot of interest in investing in EV businesses, and that is probably the reason we are seeing so many transactions in this space, happening in a very short span of time.